Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is easy, tasty and delicious pasta ready in 10 minutes. This method of pasta is basically for busy moms like me. I advise you create time to always prep most of your cooking stuffs and store in the fridge so in case you just comes back and nothing in the house to eat. This method of pasta is healthy and easy to put together if your recipes has been prepped already. Do you want to know how I came up with this easy, tasty and delicious pasta in just 10 minutes? Then let's prepare it together. These are my prep recipes, of which pasta is the major or basic recipes among them. Please do follow me along on the video to know how I put them together to know other of my recipes. Alright? Now the cooking action. Place a pan on the heat and preheat a little coconut oil. Please feel free to use any vegetable oil of your choice. Alright? Once the oil is hot, add the deboned mackerel fish. You can shred the fish if you so wish, but this is my choice. I cut it in cube. Fry the fish a bit but don't allow it to over dry. Add the diced sausages and fry a little as well. And lastly, add the chicken. As you can see, I cut the chicken in cubes. You can feel free to cut yours anyhow you like. After frying the proteins, I will remove from the oil and set aside. Please keep watching. Next, I will prepare the pasta base or sauce with the same coconut oil used to fry the proteins. I've added the pepper blend mix already, which is the combination of sweet bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and a slice of fresh tomatoes. Stir the pepper blend mix to fry for at least 3 minutes. Then add the ginger and garlic powder. You can use the fresh one if you so wish. This is onion powder, mixed seasoning, curry powder, seasoning powder, and some salt to taste. Afterwards, stir very well to combine, then cover the pot halfway to steam cook for at least 5 minutes. After steam cooking the base for 5 minutes, this is what we got, Virtuous family. Now I will stir one more time and then add fried protein. After then, I will stir very well so that the protein will get to know and mingle with the sauce. By so doing, they will not taste differently after cooking. Add the carrot and stir to combine as well. Hope you can see the way I dice my carrot. You can feel free to dice yours anyhow you like, but make sure your veggie sizes are uniquely and equally diced so as to bring out the beauty of the pasta after cooking. Remember, the eyes eat first before the mouth. I will allow the carrot to heat up for just 1 minute because I want the carrot to come out crunchy after cooking. Next is the boiled pasta. Hope we all know how to boil our pasta so that it will come out just like you are saying. If you don't know, please let me know at the comment section. I am stirring to combine the base with the boiled pasta so that they will combine very well. Afterwards, garnish the top of the pasta with a sweet red bell pepper and a touch of spring onion. Stir and then cover and allow the vegetable to steam cook for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open and stir for the very last time and then enjoy. On this junction, Virtuous family, our easy, tasty and delicious pasta ready in just 10 minutes is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.